Hey guys, weather's getting colder out there, so let's warm things up with a classic Irish coffee. Now, the Irish coffee was invented in 1943 by Joe Sheridan, who was the head chef at a restaurant at Foynes Port airbase in Ireland. On a cold winter night, he wanted to warm up passengers flying through, so he mixed some Irish whiskey with some hot coffee and layered on some lightly whipped cream. Now, obviously an important ingredient in this drink is the Irish whiskey, but I'd argue that more importantly is some good, strong coffee. So let's head over to my coffee station and grind some fresh beans. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already, hit that button, hit the bell, get notified when we release new content. Okay, so we're looking for a coarse grind. We're going to be making coffee in a French press, so that's about what you want. Alright, let's get our French press here. We're only making one portion, so small press. I'm going to use two huge tablespoons of coffee, and we're going to pour in our hot water. Now, just like we pre-chill cocktail glasses, we want to pour some hot water inside our Irish coffee mug. This will ensure that when we assemble our final drink, we're not going to lose a lot of heat because the mug will already be hot. Alright, give the coffee a quick stir. We're going to pop on the top, the plunger, and we're just going to set that aside for now. Let it steep for about 3 minutes. Okay, our Irish coffee mug is nice and hot. We can dump out that water, bring it back, and let's start building the drink. We're going to start with 2 bar spoons of brown sugar. You could use simple syrup, you could use demerara syrup. I like the brown sugar here. Alright, next up is our Irish whiskey. I'm using Tullamore Dew. It's a classic Irish whiskey. You could use Jameson, you could use Bushmills. Don't use something expensive like a Redbreast 12. Now, anywhere from 1 to 2 ounces is great. I think 1.5 ounce is the perfect measurement. You'll taste it, but it won't overpower the coffee. And make sure you're using Irish whiskey, guys. I mean, yes, you could use bourbon, you could use rye, but come on, it's Irish coffee. Use Irish whiskey. Alright, give the whiskey a little bit of a stir. We're going to start to dissolve the sugar a little bit. It'll dissolve better when we add the hot coffee. Which is our next ingredient. So it's been steeping for about 3 minutes. We're good to go. So we're going to bring that over here. We're going to press down that plunger and filter out the grounds. Okay. Bring that back over, and we're going to slowly pour our coffee into our mug. So I like to pour a little bit, and then give it a stir. Continue to dissolve that sugar. And then pour the rest. Now we want to leave a good kind of centimeter to like ½ inch at the top, because last ingredient, of course, is our cream. Alright, so we're using lightly whipped cream. You could totally use a whipped cream bottle here, just spray it on top, but traditionally this is just lightly whipped cream. I'm using a plastic condiment bottle, and I put the cream in there, and I just shake it vigorously until it's fairly thick. And then we just slowly layer it on top. And there you have it. That is your classic Irish coffee. Now, this drink is really an experience to drink. It evolves a lot as you drink it because the cream will eventually mix in with the coffee. But that first sip is incredible. Don't mix it. Drink it through the cold cream. Then the hot coffee hits and the warmth of the whiskey. And it's just so incredible. If you love coffee, if you love whiskey, give this a try. You'll love it. Alright, well, that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like. Let me know what other drinks you would like me to showcase, and we will see you next time. Cheers.